Hey flowers, it's Reese LaFleur. This video is going to review on Juvia's Place. We're going to get right into it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you want to see my review on Juvia's Place, very honest, detailed review, go ahead and continue to watch. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. So as I said in the intro, we are trying out Juvia's Place foundation. This is how it comes. And we're also trying the concealers, which are freaking huge, bro. And these are the concealers. I got number 3 and number 12, and then I also got 240, which is Legos. Now I will say this first. I think I got the wrong color. I only bought one. I will probably buy another color, and I'll update you guys and let you guys know if the other color matches better. I do feel like this color matches me probably for the winter time, so I will keep it, and you know. But I'm pretty sure that this is my winter color. I already have a tan. I got a tan already. Okay. So I've already tried the foundation out. And I'm going to be really honest, but I want you guys to see how I apply it, how it looks, and all that good stuff. So yeah. Oh, that is a lot. It's a lot. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my Morphe 439 brush. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that product, of course. And I'm just going to start applying. Oh, it's not my hand. Let me have that. Okay. Okay, but after wearing it, I feel like the foundation, after wearing it, I wore it twice already. I've actually worn it in my video that I just posted on Wednesday. I had this foundation on, and I feel like the concealers and the foundation breaks apart really easy. Like, it's full coverage. I'm getting full coverage beat right now, which is amazing. Like, you know, I can't front. It's amazing to have the full coverage beat, but when I wear it in the heat, I don't think this is a summer foundation, I'll say that as well, because when I'm wearing it in the heat, I'm sweaty, and it's not giving me all day type shit. Like, excuse my language, it's just not giving me all day 12-hour, not even 8-hour usage. And I don't know if it's because of what I'm using to prime my face, which I use for most products, but you know, some things don't work with everything, so that, and which is fine. So I just gotta figure out which way to finagle this product once I get the right complexion. Less is more with this foundation, which is actually a very good thing. Like, you want it to be less is more. That I love about it. I love that about it. I honestly feel like a lot of these influencers kind of gassed it. Word to me, I feel like they kind of gassed it, and that's why I decided to do the video, because I was like, some of y'all is not telling these girls that this stuff is breaking apart. So it's oxidizing. It's not that bad. Here is my chest. It's not too crazy from my chest. It's like, it's not too far, but I know. You feel me? So let's jump right into the concealers. These are the concealers right here. They are huge concealers. They're huge. They're huge. Girl, they're huge. Which I'm sure you've already seen them. The packaging is really pretty. I love the packaging. I even love the packaging of this. It's really pretty. The color is always right there. I love it. So we're just going to go ahead and do our highlighting and contour. Of course, how I usually do it. Now, the concealer colors, I think the ones that I got are perfect for me. The wand is big, which I love about the wand. I love that the wand is big. And I also love how soft and how, like, the concealers are buttery. Like, they're like butter. And the foundation is like butter too, but I noticed that as soon as I put the concealers on, butter, sis. Okay, so now that we've got the lighter concealer color, we're going to go in, of course, with the number 3. You can already see that it's like really, really wet. So I'm considering applying this with only a sponge so it soaks up some of that product. But we're going to, of course, set our face and make sure we catch it before it starts to crease. And that's what I mean about it breaks apart so quick. Like, you have to really catch it. And I don't remember anyone who did a review on these saying that. Okay. So once we got that all blended out, I'm going to move quickly to set my face because, sis, we need to be set. Like, it just needs to be set. Like, because look at me. I look crazy. And I'm rushing. And I know I'm not all the way, like, blended like the way I want to be. But it's because I'm rushing to set this face because, girl. I'm telling you right now. This shit is so wet. Like, come on. I need to use some color. Just let. Make sure I set every little crevice on my face because. So the second palette I just use my Black Radiance banana powder. That's the scent that I always use. It does me wonders. I will say about using my banana powder for this one, just because I know how wet it is. But I decided to keep my routine in the same routine that I wore when I was wearing it prior to this video. So we'll be right back once our face is fully set and it's time to brush it off. So I'm just dusting off this powder. Okay, so now that that's brushed off, we're going with blush. I can't find Juvia's blush, y'all. Sad about it. So I'm using my eyeliner. Then we're going to highlight. So I used my sister favorite lip liner, excuse me, and now I'm going in with my Ramona Joan Natalie Piper liquid lipstick. This color is matte. And as you can see, it is gorgeous. Don't forget that if you do want this lipstick, I have a code and it's LaFleur22. I'll leave that down below. I also actually put it right here for you guys so you guys can have that code if you want to save some bucks and order this beautiful, beautiful lipstick. And I'll also put a card here so that you guys can check out the video where I swatched a whole bunch of those products, okay? As you can see, even though the color is a little bit light on me, it's not super horrible. I think it's only like one shade down from where I'm supposed to be, which is why I know that this is my winter color. As a whole, I do like the foundation. Do not get me wrong. I like the concealers. I like it. It goes on nice and buttery. I don't like the fact that it breaks apart super easy. I don't think that any other influencer told us that, you know, especially the ones that wore it, it breaks apart. And I've worn it twice and it breaks apart. So this is the type of foundation that you would have to have some powder to keep dabbing throughout the day. That's not something I usually like to do. But it is something that's necessary, I think, for this foundation. Not a negative thing. It's just the way that it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I usually don't do reviews, but I figured I might as well, just because I didn't see one in my complexion or anyone super close to me, which would be like one step up. So I decided to do one for you guys to give you guys a little bit more detail and actually be 100% honest with you guys that this foundation does break apart. If you have oily skin, set the fuck out of it, okay? Excuse my language. But set this shit, okay? Because if you don't, sis, you're gonna be tight outside. It's summertime. Don't wear this till nighttime when you're going out, because you're gonna be tight in the humidity. New York City is a very humid place. Sis, it's humid out here. It's humid. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to join the flower game, subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications, comment down below, share this video with your friends, like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I'll see you guys in my next one. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. Mwah.